to sneeze?
Yeah, can you help me with my sneeze? I think I'm allergic to veterinarian's offices. Okay, Dr. Kim, thanks a lot. I'll see you in the...
Cover it up, Scooter.
Thanks, Miss Ella. You scared that sneeze away.
Well, let's get you home to bed.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, no.
Oh, quick, use your tissues.
Yes!
Hold on! Oh, who needs this?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Thanks, Chef 3.
Do not mention this.
Boy, it's cold.
You want to squeeze a sneeze, Captain Happy?
Look! Oh, and bless you, Quasi.
Remember, you're in a library.
Now, as I was saying, I would like to talk about Atsu! Talk about Atsu! Oh! There. Atsu! When you, when you, I was covering your nose and mouth when you,
Thank you.
Don't even think about it.
40 degrees below. Do you think we're standing here for fun?
Wipe your nose swiping!
Oh, man. Achoo! If it goes well, they might even sell the special to Foopy.
Is that an Asian dish?
It's a streamer. Any 2 nonsense syllables are a streamer.
Achoo!
Oh, I love their shows. Break out the Kleenex.
My poor meatball. When somebody sneezed, it rolled off the tip.
Stitch? Are you okay? Uh-oh.
Dr. Jumbo disease.
Can't smell anything through all this pollen. Achoo!
I don't mean to be a party pooper, but this mustache makes my nose itch. It's hard to bowl when you have to, Oh, that's better.
Mike? I think I feel a sneeze coming on.
When Sparky sneezes!
He blows fire. We've got to hold your nose.
Okay, that's better.
Phew. Now you take over, Sparky.
Oh no!
I don't think I can hold my sneeze anymore, Mike.
Phew, looks like it's passed.
Without?
Without,
That makes everyone sad. Especially Desert.
That's me, Dodo. That's me.
Gesundheit, by the way.
Oh, I hate garlic.
Hey, you big idiot!
A shapeshifter? Never heard of. Oh, what you want with that?
Being sick, huh? Means you're weak, huh? And heroes aren't weak. And heroes aren't weak.
This is kind of funny at first, but now it's just kind of gross, and I'm not really into gross out humor.
We are doctors now. Prepare for surgery.
Just admit that you're sick. Come on, Mau Mau.